How to make carousel post on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You will find this kind of screen pop up. You will find plus button at the bottom, which is in the middle. Simply click on plus button and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select post at the bottom and then click on select multiple. After that, in order, you can simply select your photo and then press on next at the top right. Click on next again. After that, you can edit like add caption, location, people, add music. If you're done, click on share located at the bottom. After you're done, you will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, the pictures has been posted. As you can see, I can simply swipe. And this is how to make carousel post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.